Hello friends, welcome back to Technique. In this video, we'll talk about the latest Alexa device from Amazon, the Amazon Echo Spot. So this has been launched in India. Now initially it was priced around 6499 on Amazon somewhere in January 2025. Now the pricing has increased to 8499. So this is the Amazon Echo Spot which you can stream music, you can use different commands to get information, you can stream music via Bluetooth, you can play from the device using your Amazon Alexa account, and you can stream music as well. And it also has a clock, so it's basically smart speaker with Alexa and smart clock as well. So it comes with the functions like the clock, alarms, and the regular set of commands you can give to Alexa. So all those functionalities are included. So this is the box packaging. You can see here Echo Spot mentioned. So let's talk about the device. So you can see here Echo Spot is mentioned here, Alexa, and you can see the display here, and it has a 2.8 inches touch screen, Bluetooth, hands-free, and it comes with Alexa support, microphones, on and off button, in-app control, and this is the box packaging. You can see how it looks. You can ask different questions like how is the weather, or information whatever you need from the Alexa. So those things you can do. You can connect it with your phone and configure it with Wi-Fi, and you can also play music from Bluetooth from your phone. So all those capabilities are there. So this is how the box looks like. So let's go straight into the Alexa device, how to configure, and then what all functions it offers. So let's talk about that. So this is the Amazon Echo Spot, the latest one. So you can see here it's kind of circular in layout. The front area is circular, and you can see that a curved back finishing, and you also have an area where you can keep it. You can see here rubber beading is included, and this is how the device looks like. You can see here, this is the speaker unit, and this is the display, and the finishing looks quite good. We have two buttons, plus and minus. This is the option to increase or decrease the volume. You can see the microphones and a button to mute the microphone, and here we have the power source and the rubber beading to hold it. So this is how it looks, and you can see here this is the clock available, and the material quality, fit and finish looks pretty good. Let's power it on and see how it looks. So this is the Echo Spot. You can see the display now. You can see the clock in action, and this is the display area, and you can actually configure the clock here. Now you can swipe from the top to get the settings. So this is the settings. So here you can see that clock and theme, we have different clock face available, so you can configure how you want the clock to appear. So there you go. So you can see here the different clock options are there. You can customize them, and you can also see that there are themes available here. Color theme, clock format is also there. Then you can see that Bluetooth functionality, you can pair it with your smartphone, laptop. You can see here now I paired it with my PC, and or rather you can pair it right now. You can see here tap to pair, and you can configure music from the devices onto this. Then you can see the display settings, display brightness, media player, animation. There's also night mode. Night mode means minimal disturbance from the display. In the night mode, you can turn on the night mode as well. So sounds and device options, you can see a software update and factory reset, and you can also see that in terms of sound, media volume, alarms as well. Now when you are configured alarm on this, you can, when you want to snooze the alarm or stop the alarm, you can just press on the top and remove the alarm or stop the alarm. So those functionalities are there, and you can do basic controls. Here you can see that there is a button to mute the microphone input as well, and button to increase or decrease the volume. So let's play some song and see how good the audio quality is.
Get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a bitch that walks underground methods and top notch rules.
Now if you swipe from the top, you can see that home button, brightness, the night mode, and you can go to the settings option. Now let's see what all commands you can do. You can ask different questions. Alexa, how is the temperature for tomorrow?
Tomorrow, in Ernakulam, Kerala, expect a high of 31 degrees Celsius.
Alexa, when is IPL starting?
Kolkata Knight Riders will play against against Royal Challengers Bengaluru next Saturday, the 22nd of March at 7:30 p.m. in a T20 match of IPL at Eden Gardens in Kolkata.
So that was our experience with the Alexa Echo Sport. This is priced 8,499. Initially it was priced around 6,499. We are not really sure why the 2,000 rupees increase in pricing happened, or probably it might be the offer pricing. Now it's priced 8,499, and for that pricing it's quite good. I would say the speakers are quite okay for the smaller form factor. It looks good. There are immense possibilities with this. You can play music from internet when connected this device to the internet. You can use JioSaavn or Alexa app or Alexa Amazon Music to stream music. You can use alarms. You can ask questions, and then you can also stream music via Bluetooth from your laptop, smartphones. So that's how the Alexa Echo Sport looks like. So this is available on Amazon. So we'll share the link in the description of this video. So what do you guys think about this device? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.